Hi, thank you for visiting Zariva.com's Tech Tips. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to replace a power supply in a Cisco 3750E switch. First, we need to unscrew the two screws holding the power supply in place. Second, we will pull the power supply straight out of the chassis. Now we will insert the replacement power supply into the slot of the chassis. Finally, we will tighten the screws to secure the power supply in place. We hope you found this tech tip useful and informative. For more tech tips, please visit Zariva.com. Thank you.